Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a solid state logic origin console and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. There are kind of two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues where the configurations are not working or this thing seems to be not responding or not working the way it's supposed to, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if you are selling this or buying a used one, or just for whatever random reason, like if you've gotten all mixed up with all the configurations and you just want to get back to the way it was when it came out of the box as a brand new device, we can go ahead and get a fresh start with a hard reset on it. All we're going to do is with the console turned off, we're going to come up here and we're going to find this peak mode select button and then the dim on meters button over here. And we're going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously. And we're just going to, while we're pressing and holding those buttons, then we're going to go ahead and power on our device. And we're just going to keep holding them until all of the red peak LEDs on all the meters start to blink, at which point that's telling you that the reset is complete. Now, if you let go, at that point, if you let go of these two buttons, it will then turn off, and then you can turn it back on in its factory default setting.